Guys, I just checked my Bloom right now and I find out that my Bloom has been hacked. Not mine, but I understand that this thing is happening to every Bloom miner. So go and check right now if you are playing the game called Bloom. I'm going to show you what my own is showing for you to see if your own is showing the same thing, guys. So drop in a comment section what you think that really happened in this particular project. This project is sure that everyone hope that this project is going to pay off, but I don't understand what is going on right now. So check yours if your own did the same thing. What is doing? So I don't actually know the meaning of this thing here, but you see how the Bloom opened. So I don't actually know. Did they upgrade the website? Even the play is still there, the task, everything. So we don't understand actually what is going on. So guys, let's also go to their